Hi everyone and welcome back to the Altrady channel. Today it's Solana time. We are talking about its current situation, analyzing the chart to understand possible future scenarios. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to follow future analysis. Now, let's dive into the charts. Unfortunately, there are some worrying signals on Solana that deserve attention, including the formation and consolidation of the death cross that already happened last February, along with the market sentiment that remains negative as the price hits the critical annual support. Let's see what this means and how it could impact the price. Let's start with the most critical point, the death cross. This is a bearish signal that occurs when a faster moving average crosses below a slower moving average. In this case, we see the faster moving average, orange line, 21 period, pointing downward and cutting through the slower moving average, blue line, 200 period. This indicates an acceleration of Solana price decline and a bearish trend showing no signs of reversal for now. We already saw a triad rebound, but the result was tragic. After briefly recovering above the blue moving average and attempting to break above the orange one, the price dropped again, marking new lower lows with increased volatility. This bearish pattern seems to confirm and extend the ongoing negative trend. A key point to keep an eye on is the so-called point J. Point J, guys, no point, located at 209. Surpassing this level could indicate a bullish reversal, but at the moment, it seems unlikely, given the weakness of the movement. Even if we manage to surpass the blue moving average, it will be a tough challenge. It will require an increase of about 24% in a short time, which seems unrealistic in this context. Moreover, we continue to record lower highs, which confirms the bearish phase. The next critical area to watch is the support between 110.8 and 105. If the price breaks through this level, the decline could continue down to the next volumetric support at 199. Another factor to consider is the duration of bearish cycles. We are currently in an annual market maker cycle that could extend until April 19. This might mean more weeks of decline mixed with small rebounds. In a worst case scenarios, the decline could extend up to 43 days, reaching even lower lows. Only a return above previous highs could reverse this trend. In short, Solana's situation is very delicate. The risk of a further collapse is real, and the recent movements do not offer upbeat signals. The recommendation is to closely monitor key levels, such as the supports between 110 and 105, and be extremely cautious if the price breaches these thresholds. Always remember to do your own research before investing and to consider risk management in your trading operation. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more updates and analysis. See you next time.